Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm working on my 99 Dodge Durango again. I think I've traced down all my leaks. I recently just posted a video on my water pump. Got all that fixed. Car's running way better now, but I still have a leak. And it's my power steering leak. And I replaced the power steering pump, replaced one line, but I failed to replace the high pressure power steering line. And I believe the line's leaking because I've cleaned it, but it stays wet. So I think it has a pinhole leak or something in it. So I'll show you here what it looks like, and I'm gonna change it out, and then we'll see what happens. So here, let me show you. So here's my power steering line. It's right there, the high pressure. And you can see how wet it is down there because I've taken all that apart. I've cleaned it like 2 or 3 times, and it's still getting wet, and it's still leaving drips all over the place. And then here's the back side. It's that line right there, the bottom one, and it's that one right there, the one to the left connected to the power steering gearbox. So let's change them out. It's very simple, and check it out. All right, I've rounded up my wrenches. The big size right here on this end is going to be an 18, and the one on the other end is going to be a 16. If you're curious, 16 millimeter and 18 millimeter. So we're going to take and put the O-rings on the ends. They go right here. And yep, and on the bottom of this right here, right there. And first I'm gonna take the old one off, and then throw this one on there. Go from there. It's very simple. So I got the line on. The new parts are on. It doesn't take very long. Just a little messy when you take the old one off because of the power steering fluid. But I got a pan under there to catch what I couldn't catch. So, you know, since that's done, all we have to do is start the car, and then start applying power steering fluid into the pump and check for leaks. But if your car is losing fluid, just start checking the fluid you're losing. Check the surrounding areas, or check your lines. It's very simple. So if you like this video, you want to see more like this one, hit that like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.